As a busy creator, taking time for self care can sometimes feel so counterproductive. The truth is, I never used to understand what self care was. I let myself work until I burnt myself out and I had no choice but to stop. Only then did I really realize how important it was. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate self care prompts using ChatGPT, and I'll give you my take on how I would answer these. I'm asking ChatGPT, can you give me self-reflection questions so I can figure out what things I might like to do for self-care and start a list? ChatGPT says, certainly. Here are some self-reflection questions to help you identify activities and practices that align with your interests, preferences, and needs for self-care. Number 1, what activities or experiences bring me a sense of joy and fulfillment? I really like being creative. I like doing anything creative. Number 2, when do I feel most relaxed and at ease? When I feel the most relaxed is when I'm with my best friend who doesn't live here, unfortunately, but when we get to spend time together, like I'm my most authentic self, and like I can feel like I can just be 100% me, and like he won't judge me for it. So that's my answer. Number 3, what hobbies or interests have I enjoyed in the past? I enjoy working towards my career goals. I enjoy learning new things to be able to be creative. Number 4, how do I typically unwind after a long day or during times of stress? Usually for me, if I'm really, really stressed out or something's like bugging me and I notice that I'm really like anxious, one of my go-to things to do is to lie on my yoga mat and to put on really calming meditation music and just like breathe in and out and just like give myself a moment to like not think about anything. Number 5, what environments or settings help me feel calm and centered? Usually when it's with people I trust, like my ride or die people, like I feel safe with them, and being in my creative zone. That's like my safe haven space. Like my soul needs me to be creative. It's part of like who I am. Number 6, what physical activities do I enjoy that also help me feel rejuvenated and energized? Kind of working out. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of working out, but like when I do have really good workouts, I really feel like pumped and like really good about myself. Number 7, what creative outlets or artistic endeavors do I find inspiring and engaging? Honestly, I love learning new things and trying new things and exploring and seeing how it goes, seeing like if I'm actually good at something and discovering things about myself. That's like my most favorite thing to do. I just love being creative. Number 8, how do I nurture my emotional well-being and cultivate resilience during challenging times? Okay, even though I'm stubborn, those are the times when I do seek out help and like ask for support from my like ride or die people. Number 9, what practices or rituals help me feel grounded and connected to myself and others? I think for me, just remembering to connect with people. I'm like half introvert, half extrovert. And like, usually I think I'm more introverted most of the time. And I always forget to connect with people and like say hi. And it's nice to talk to the people that care about me. Number 10, what experiences do I find meaningful and fulfilling, even if they may seem simple or mundane? What I really love doing this summer is just going to like the beach or something at night and just like laying out on a blanket and staring at the stars. That's like one of my favorite summer things to do, and it's just like really chill. Self care comes in many forms, including seeking support from others. You might feel like you need to do it all by yourself, but that can lead to things like burnout and feeling alone in your journey. I totally get it. Letting somebody in can be scary if you're not used to it, which is why in my next video, I'll give you the tools that you need to get started.